I'm gonna copy this. Actually, no, I'm going to, yeah, I'm gonna copy this. Hold on. Let me. What is this? I'm really confused. You gotta remember who we're talking about. Why did you die? Okay, anyways. You're stuck loading. What do you mean, Urtex? Where do we spawn? You don't have to spawn anywhere. You just have to, you just spawn and then you'll be spawned. And that's it. If that makes sense. If you spawn, then you'll be spawned. I'm watching for your message, Urtex. ERTEX. Add aura farming. Should we ban this guy? Should we ban this guy after he said that? Stuck black screen? Yeah, but I need to know, like, what... Okay, so is it when you tried to spawn, or is it when you first joined? Because if it's just a black screen, that's bad. But if you can see the skipping lobby text, that's good. It means that your Wi-Fi is slow. Remove anti-cheat? Anti-cheat is completely disabled. If a hacker comes along, it's whatever. I'm waiting for combat for when I enable the guns, the anti-cheat gets enabled as well. It's gonna happen all at once. Everything is good. What is that name? 5TRD. Why would you say jail slep? Come on, man. Gotta join the group. Join the group to play the game. Game is chat, pinned chat message. Let me check for errors. You guys aren't allowed to see. This is a secret. Oh no. We have an error. Okay. Why Tech9 and Uzi got a 50 drum? Oh, the G18 has a 50 drum as well. The G18, M9, and what is the other one? M93R. They all have they have drum mags as well. I'm gonna tweak the rarity on drum mags because it's been a problem, but I'm worrying about that later. I don't want to have to. I'm not. Like, you know what I mean? I'm not. What part of the game are you testing today? Just play the game. Just interact with stuff. That's it. There's no real thing that I'm looking for. I'm just trying to see if anything breaks. Today. Just like last weekend, except last weekend I was looking for something specific on top of, you know, other just standard regular bugs. It seems like the server is performing much better. We was having a lot of lags. Like when you clicked a door, you could tell there was lag, especially on a full server like this one. I'm trying to find you. As is happening. I should teleport everybody to me. Console, phone, tablet support. Everybody, how is the game perform? Also, I'm looking for Urtex. Another message from Urtex. Are any of you on mobile? And if so, how is it performing? How is the scaling of the UIs for you? Like the hotbar is a little bit smaller. The player list is exactly how it is now, honestly, on tablet and phone. A lot of Makarov spawns. Share some with me. I'm on vacuum. What, Adonis? No Fortnite Battle Pass. There is a lot of Makarov ammo. I have noticed while walking around. There's an unusual amount of Makarov ammo. You gotta do something about that. It's pretty laggy. I'm averaging like 160 ping. Guys, okay, let me You cannot use guns or any tools, no melee weapons, because they are disabled. Until next weekend. Next weekend will be shooty gun, shooty pew pew, all over the place. Where are you, Urtex? Well, I rejoined, but before I rejoined, it said skipping lobby and went to permanent black screen. Okay, I will screenshot that chat message. Thank you, Urtex. This is really helpful. I thought I fixed the infinite black screen, but apparently I didn't. I just need to make it more friendly for people who have, like, worse internet, like... Anyways, I know what I gotta do. Crouching... I think I'll add backflipping before I add crouching. No, I'm just kidding. Crouching will come. Don't worry. The safe climb down system? Is there something like that in Apocalypse Rising? Honestly, I haven't climbed anything enough to realize, like, a difference. I'm climbing up. So do you mean, like... I don't know, I'm so used to, like, going off of stuff and doing that. Okay, that wasn't a good example. I'm so used to doing this. Okay, I'm literally gonna die. Yeah, slow fall? Slow fall? I don't know. Backflipping isn't actually coming. Unless listen, I don't know, man. Also, don't ask about this character. I'm not really sure why I did this. Can I get rid of this hair, please? Just give me the... Yeah, give me that. What would you have... what are you talking about? Conquest? Average 60 FPS, highest probably 80 or something? I don't know, man. I've done a lot to make the game... I've done a lot to make the game perform as best as possible. Man, there's a chunk system. None of the spawned items like these. These can collide is false. Can query is false. Can touch is false. Well, not can query. Listen. Everything is distance-based. Basically, if things are far away from you, the game only lets you see them and it doesn't let you interact with them physically. That's the simplest way that I can... Oh, yeah, by the way, look. The new backpacks. Become Ninja Turtle once again. And the old era one, if you hang by the side of a ladder, you will slowly fall. Oh, yeah, that's right. No, I completely forgot. You're right about that. Let me... That's what you guys were talking about. I'm screenshotting your chat message. Is your name literally Twit? Can you teleport all of us to you? There's somebody nearby. There's a player nearby. There's an enemy. Hello? I can hear you. Hello? Okay, anyways. You guys think Gus will try to take down your game? No. Gus Manak is fine with the game. Gus Manak's been keeping up to date with, like, he's basically seen everything so far. He didn't have a problem with any of it. We're fine. Listen, guys, we're good. But you guys don't have to join my server. Who are you? Hello. C8SX. That's a rare username, by the way. Why would you take out the baseball bat? Thank you. It's what I've always wanted. Thank you. Let me check for more server errors. I have a lot more things to watch out for now. I'm printing out basically everything that could possibly go wrong into the output. Nothing except for one error. This is a record. The amount of changes I have made, it is almost impossible. PPSH 75 mag. Yes, I'm glad you like it. Why do you have the AA12? Can you disarm that, please? Thank you. I also want to have like mines and C4 to where you can interact with them. Next. Oh yeah, by the way, groups. I broke it. I broke the groups. They were supposed to work today. Maybe next week. Okay, maybe next week. The button's here. Maybe it'll work next week. Well, I mean, nobody's been here long enough for their days to go up. Never mind. Will you be, will you be paying like $5 a month? No. No, because I have over 100 hours of playtime, so they're going to give me it for free. You spawn with a gun, T4. Can you make it so picking up a new bag auto-equips it? Listen, guys. The reason I have it so that when you pick up a bag, and then you go and pick up another backpack. Okay, I can't. I'm not going to be able to find one. But the reason that you can... Let me see if I can find a backpack to show you. There's got to be something. At least one. Oh yeah, I fixed the map as well. You don't... it can't open when you don't actually have a map, like you can't open the UI. Okay, I'm not going to keep looking for this. Basically, the reason you can have backpacks in your inventory is so that if you find, like, let's say if you find another military backpack like I have one now, you can take it to your friend. Like, if you don't have a vehicle, because obviously if you had a vehicle, and, you know, you had a crate or a base nearby, then you could just put it in there. Okay, we are having an incredible amount of server lag. Let me check. Let me check something. Let me check my special little UI here to see if something might be going terribly wrong. I'm doing a poll in the YouTube chat. Are you having server lag? Everybody's saying no. You didn't spawn with anything? Wait. Hold on. We're gonna find out if... Okay, seems like about 10% of you. Okay, I'm gonna spawn and I'm gonna see if I spawn with stuff. No, it seems to be working. I don't know. If you rejoined the game without picking up your spawn loot from the previous server, that's gonna be why. If you're talking about a data store error where you picked stuff up and then rejoined the game and you didn't have that stuff, that's a problem. Okay. Way too dark? No, 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 it's not. Because in a couple of minutes you'll see that the moonlight starts to, I don't know, light it. Your weapons don't work because they're disabled. Until next weekend. How many melee weapons are there? Only 6 right now. Like about, well, there's a knife, a baton, police baton. There's a, okay, let me restart. There's a knife. There's a police baton. There's a bat. There's an axe. There's a sword. And there's a katana. You're in an abandoned city? I think all the cities are abandoned right now, Mikey. I really like the dark. Yes, exactly. I don't know why so many people don't like the dark. When it's nighttime, it's supposed to be dark, and like, when the world's ending, you know, it just makes sense, right? Dark. Or world ending plus dark. Yes. Okay? What are you talking? Please, origami, I need this. My chat's kind of homeless. Let me look up here. Did you say something else? I don't see any other chats from you, so I'm just gonna... Did you finally get in, Urtex? I screenshot your message, so if... I'll look into... You said you had a black screen. I'll make a poll, another poll in the YouTube chat. I'm kind of... Okay. I made a poll in the YouTube chat, everyone. Please answer it for me. Oh, that's concerning. Okay, so 10% of... Like... Oh. Nope, people are starting to answer. I still don't like that. You talked about a new version? What are you talking about? What are you talking about, a new version? Like a new version of the game? I don't like how delayed this is. There's something... I know that there is server lag. There's a delay. And I need to figure out what it is. This is a big problem. I'm going to leave this server that I am currently in. And I'm gonna go to another one. How many people are playing this game? Holy moly. I did not expect there to be so many people here. What server was I in? Man, I don't even know where I was at. Okay, I'm just gonna pick a random one and go. How come there's no chat? Because I made it, I programmed it, I have to make it adhere to Roblox's age group restrictions, okay? It's really annoying. Yeah, I know there's no chat. Okay, I don't like the fact that 13% of you seem to think or have gotten infinite black screens. That's not good. That's not good, but it's important for me to know. I think I just rejoined the same exact YouTube, or not YouTube. Sorry, I was reading this guy's username. I think I just rejoined the same exact server. Isn't that something? Isn't that something just special? Oh my god. Okay. Everybody shut up. Your server was Amsterdam? What? No, I don't live there. I didn't join the same server. Thank you. Put the AI-generated bicycle? What are you talking about, the AI-generated bicycle? Hello, iBot. Thank you for the $10. Thank you, buddy. I desperately need it. Thank you. You're funding something great. Is that? Netherlands? Is that... listen, I'm an idiot. I don't know. I'm not adding triple T. Never say that again. A better updated version of the game? I really don't know what you're talking about. I don't even know how to say your name. But yes, I'm actively updating it in more ways than you can see. It's mostly been programming the past couple of weeks, but There's a player nearby. Who are you? You are the black belt. Hello. There's a 30-second cooldown? For what? Oh, for the chat. Yeah. There's... yeah. Ability to respawn? What are you talking about, Felipe? Watch. I'm going to show you how to respawn. Watch. You see? Watch this. I'm about to respawn, Felipe. Fix damage? Fix fall damage, you mean. You want fall damage reduced. I know. Hopefully the custom chat will be finished next week. Along with, you know, the weapons. We'll be testing the weapons and stuff. Thank you, Monkey VR. I appreciate it. Okay. Maybe we'll do it. I might do it. Well, I'm definitely doing a personal radio like in APOC. Sometime in the future. Don't worry. It'll happen. Alright, Learman. You want to be the Easter egg, Adonis? Yeah, we might be able to make that work. Ooh, CBJ. I have a CBJMS now. My probably least favorite out of the Tech 9, Uzi, and CBJ. No, Ben Levy. I can't add that. Okay, who is in my server? Everybody in my server. Everybody who sees me on their server list. Me, you know, me. I need you to start spamming everything. Dropping items, eating them, opening doors. I need you to start doing that for me. Because I need to see if anything pops up on my thing. My GUI. When's the bread update? I might add bread. I won't say no to that. Oh no, I think it's about to rain. Oh no. If you don't have an umbrella, just reset and you'll spawn with one. If you don't want to have to deal with the acid rain. We're just testing the game, just general stuff. Nothing specific. Yeah, see, you when it's raining, you spawn with the umbrella. It's a little thing you guys should know. Except I think it replaces your flashlight, I believe. That kind of sucks, doesn't it? On a recent live video, I told you about fall damage to fix it. You mentioned something about a better game version with a whole better fall damage system. Well, all of the changes that I've said, here's what I will say. All of the changes that I said I was going to make before the game, like, officially releases, quote, officially, they will be put into place. The game will be updated with those changes that I mentioned. Do not worry. Oh, hey, it's Calvarine. Hello. Welcome back, buddy. A reminder for people who just now joined the stream. We're testing guns and melee weapons next weekend, okay? That will be next weekend. Will AR participate in Roblox events? Yeah, probably. Don't refer to it as AR. I just slipped up. Do not refer to the game as AR. Refer to it as altered reality or altered. Please, I beg of you. I I don't want to forget about this. Okay, just help me out. Refer to it as altered or altered reality. Oh. Good. Well, congratulations to you, Timmerall. Thank you for that, Calvin. Calvinery. What's the difference between Apocalypse Rising and altered reality? Hopefully mine will have less hackers. And it will get updated content. Those are the two things I'm going for. Hello, buddy. You're kind of purple. You have the bacon hair. I like this guy's avatar. He's got the check it face. He's checking it with the bacon hair. I like it. Okay, I'm gonna check the output. Hey, nothing broke. Thank you for that. Okay, everybody in my server reset. Or everybody in the game reset. All of you. Every single one of you reset your character. Thank you, YouTube account. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Yes, we'll have seasonal map changes. We'll have the desert, we'll have the snow. Maybe even that weird purple map. I think that was for an event. I'll do stuff like that, don't worry. I won't just leave the game alone. Fort Brax. Thank you, Adonis, by the way. Thank you guys for the gifted memberships. I appreciate it. I'm starting another poll in the YouTube chat. What? Are you on mobile? And if so, are the UI scales okay? This is for mobile, tablet, and phone users only. Okay? Help me out. Don't muddy the waters. Yes, you can refer to it as that, random. Thank you for the 5 Europes. Calvinry. Okay, this is going 50-50. I don't like this. This doesn't seem right. I hate you guys when it comes to polls. Oh, yeah, that's right. I was going to check the... I had you guys reset because I was going to check that. Okay, everybody in my server, I know this is going to be annoying, but everybody leave my server. You're helping better the future of the game by doing this, please. If you're in my server, leave. I need to check and see if anything screws up. Like, while you leave, because I can't, you know... Okay, thank you. Thank you for whoever just left. 2 of you left. 1 person left. Everybody... No, guys, you don't understand. Leave the server. Leave. Okay, they're clearing out. They're clearing out, you see. Okay, well, another person just joined. Leave the server! I know you guys are watching my stream. Hold on. Hold on, I'm gonna create a message here. Give me a second, guys, to read chat. I can just kick everybody. I just realized that. I wanted to give you guys the option. Okay. Ah. Okay, never mind. Forget it. Forget it. Nobody's gonna leave. Let's just forget about it. It's okay. It's okay, guys. Okay, so 50% of you think the scaling of the UIs are okay. I'll keep that in mind. I'm just gonna have to allow you guys to like scale each of them individually, like the inventory hotbar, player list, and like these. I don't think these would need change. This one seems okay on all devices, but it's basically nothing. But yeah, gun animations. Yes, there will be gun animations, of course. Add Jupiter to the game. I'm pretty proud of Forklift Simulator, Felipe. If we're talking about my favorite game that I ever made, probably be Forklift Simulator, and then this once it's finished. More so this because it's something I've wanted to do for over a decade, or nearly a decade. I'm not kidding when I say that. Never mind, here's more. Thank you. Thank you, Calvin. I really appreciate it, man. No, that was not a JoJo reference. Whatever you're talking about was not a JoJo reference. Yes, I made Forklift Simulator. Not an advertisement, by the way. Not an advertisement at all. Don't worry, I wouldn't stoop to that level. Please play it and buy every Game Pass. Yeah, that thing, gal. About the rooms we spawn in. Are you worried about people potentially camping? No, because it remains to be seen if my system is working as intended, but spawn bunkers are safe. You're placed in a bunker. Like, when you spawn, it places you in the bunker furthest away from any other player. There's 24 bunkers on this map, and there's only 16 players. I'm still thinking of whether to do 18. But there's 16 players, so there won't be any overlap. It will be fine. Nobody can camp your bunker because nobody will be near it when you spawn. Does that make sense? Yeah, this game really alters my reality. Add running to mobile, you mean? On console and PC, you can run anywhere. How many cities are there? There's a few. There's like 13 mid-sized cities, 3... there's 3 mid-sized cities, 13 smaller towns, and then 1 big city in the middle of the map. And the amount of villages and farms there are, probably like 25 scattered all around the map. And like rogue structures, like tents and, I don't know, like what are those, deer stands? There's plenty of those too. There's a lot. There is jumping. You can jump in the game. What are you talking about? You probably ran out of stamina and think, oh no, there's no jumping in the game. Brother. Altered reality is based off of a non-existent place. You're correct. It is simply me going for a game, a specific game design, like a field. It's not... I guess we can say it's Ohio. How about that? It's Ohio. That's where we are. That's where it is. What do you mean add hunger and thirst? That's right. You guys are trolling now. Also, I still have to adjust... Yeah, that's laggy. I have to adjust the blood bag. Region... Health region speed. Landmines to camp bunkers? I'll simply not allow C4 or mines to be placed inside the bunkers or near the bunkers. It'll give you a message like this one up here, and it'll say, cannot deploy this item near a spawn bunker. Actually... Makarov doesn't work because it's disabled. What did you just say? Astrazen? I'm screenshotting some chat messages. Bear with me. Have any of you in? Yes, I'm getting rage baited. In the YouTube chat, please. Where else are you gonna say it? Let me know if you've had or experienced any bugs while I'm reading the chat. I'm looking only at the chat. If you've experienced any bugs, add children. You're already here. If you've encountered any bugs, put it in the YouTube chat now so I can screenshot it, please. I'm about to lose my mind. No, I'm not gonna screenshot that message board, Dino. You can see me? Where are you? If you can see me, then where? I'm bringing every person in my server to me. Okay, bug report, you can't jump when you're out of stamina. Wow, guys. Wow, guys. Wow. When you're out of stamina, you can't jump, guys. I'm just letting you know there's this game-breaking bug. Add John Zombies? John Zombie, How did I get that lighting? Because I did. I programmed it. Bug report. The bug is on my screen. Bug report. I have no mouth and I must scream. Wow, guys. We're really making the game better. We're really improving the game. It's like we're really doing it here. The Uzi drum mag doesn't work because the guns are disabled, guys. I'm not gonna say it again. Hang on a second. I'm trying to teleport everybody to me. You guys are distracting me. Yeah, the bug report. My character walks. What's going on? I'm losing my dang mind. That's what's going on. Okay. Give me a second. By the way, everybody who's in the stream, add me. Go ahead and add me on Roblox, and I'm going to accept it. I'm going to do this thing where I add everybody as a trusted friend so that everybody can play. Every one of you will be able to hopefully play the game regardless of the age restrictions in the new segregation update. I'm not sure if it'll work, but just go ahead and add me. We'll see. Oh man, I deleted it. Done? Okay. I'll accept them later, but got Felipe, opening a door when you click on it is not a bug. I really need an admin UI. That's what I'm doing next. Dude, I'm not teleporting any of you to me. I hate every single one of you. Actually, no, I love you. Please don't leave. Don't we need, like a QR code? Oh, do you need a QR code for trusted friends? Oh, come on. I didn't know that. Also, the server's lagging. The thing's lagging. Look, it's lagging. The flashlight's lagging, dude. Urgent. There's a bug, where the expecting hyenas don't spawn. Is that what you would call elite ball knowledge? Bug report, no bugs. I'm really glad. It is very dark, Samson. That's why you need a flashlight. I think it's getting daytime, isn't it? No. We're midnight. Who's here? Congratulations, Nolan. Won for surviving for a day. Congratulations. What is your ping? Is my ping here? Honestly, I've never used any of Roblox's stuff because it's always inaccurate. Actually, it's probably just because I'm lazy. It's definitely because I'm lazy. I'm gonna go this way and reach Trent. You have nothing? Absolutely nothing? How much Robux will the 2 perks and the other 3 perks that aren't out? Oh, there's 20. There's like, there's about 20 game passes, I think. Actually, no, 18 game passes. I'll add you guys later, okay? Not now. I will add you. My username is the same as my YouTube. What's original? Bug report. Sometimes you stop sprinting. Oh, really? The next bug you're gonna find is that you're banned from the game. You made me leave and now I can't join. It's okay. It's okay. Join a different server. You don't have to be here. Why would you want to be here with me? Also, why is the lighting? Why is that the one thing that's lagging? Nothing else seems to be lagging. Of all the things that would be lagging, it's the flashlights. Are we being serious? There's no, there's not too many bugs. Don't say that. Okay, brother, that's not a bug. That's just... I'm sorry. I'm not repeating that chat message. There is a dirt path that clips into another dirt path. Yeah, there's a couple of those. You can't really see them when you have like middle graphics, but it's like 5 graphics level, but it's still annoying. I probably won't fix it though. Bug report. John Apocalypse Rising is very thankful for you. Who is John Apocalypse Rising? Can we figure out who John Apocalypse Rising is? Forest Man? I think you said that before. You cannot use the tools or, like, the guns. You want to know why they don't work? Because they don't got no scripts in them. You know, I know what's wrong with it. They ain't got no scripts in them. You know that? John the Bible? Where is the barn? What barn? The axe isn't working. Guys, you're making me read these chat messages. It's a waste of time. Let me check the game. Let me join another server. Let me join a different server. Okay. The experience has ended. I need to refresh the server. Hey guys, when you're joining a server, make sure that you're joining like you refresh before you join, because it's like you know what I'm talking about, right? Like when you refresh something, then you can see it, like that kind of thing. Oh, I'm in the server with Forest Man now. Hello. Ah, M1014. My favorite shotgun. My favorite close-range weapon that doesn't kill as fast as it should. Well, hopefully mine will. I don't know. I hope there's no bugs in Altered Reality. That's not... Okay, enough with the bug reports. These are not bug reports. You're the bug. He lied, said he's adding us back, but he didn't. Guys, after the stream, I will. Come on. You guys are getting... Y'all are getting a little bit parasocial, aren't you? Okay, I'm not answering that. I'm not going to reply to that chat message. Have you encountered any bug during this stream? Real bugs only. Get this chat summary out of my face. Okay. Why isn't my poll showing up? I gotta restart all this? Are you kidding me? I gotta restart Firefox because it wants to screw up on... Dude. How do you reload and shoot? You don't. Is anybody else's chat bugging out? You guys are just trying to get it to say 6-7. I'm ending the poll. I'm not listening to you. I'm not listening to you. Get out of here. Huge bug. Model 26 revolver ammo is green. Listen, buddy, I ran out of colors. Come on. I had... Say 6-7 in my chat again. The trees were kind of 3D printed. Oh, wait. Are you talking about, like, the shadows? I don't know why they do that. It's, like, really uneven, and it looks very strange. I don't like it either. Can I eat the ammo? I'm gonna die. What game is it? It's the pinned chat message. You gotta join the group, like it says in the pinned chat message. Is the umbrella made out of lead or something? No. No, it's made out of vibranium. Ah, look at that. Perfect. I am now officially what you would call geared. I have my this and that. I'm all good. Thieving is an accessory. It's like a hat or an accessory. Guys, it's not... You've seen the thieving mask, right? The thieving mask. The thieving mask does nothing. Okay? Yeah, this is the ammo that guy was talking about. It's blue. You'll be okay, buddy. Don't worry. You'll live. I'm actually going to teleport everybody to me this time. How long does Poison Rain last? Between... I think it's between 2 to 5 minutes. Maybe 3 to 6 minutes. One of those two. I might lower it even more. It doesn't last that long. You just gotta wait it out. You'll have like 20 or 30 minutes of clear weather after it. Yeah, I'll add Easter eggs. I'll add events. I'll do all that once the game, it actually works. Hang on a second. Okay. What'd you say, DK? Where are you? Huge bug. When I eat food, my hunger bar increases. I should time you out. Just as a quick warning, I'm about to teleport you guys. No, I don't have ads enabled for this stream. I never do. Your game might break when I teleport you to me. Okay, we have everybody. Your game, some of your games probably broke, but that's okay. That's okay. I need one of you to die so I can inspect your body, so I can view your contents. I'll teleport you back. Just somebody reset. Okay, we have one down. No, give me that stuff. Why are you guys taking everything? I wanted some. This is the greed that they talked about in the Bible. Come on. I gotta teleport this guy back. I'll wait about 15 seconds for you to respawn. Don't worry. Yeah, there's a little bit of a stream delay because I don't have it on low latency, I don't think. Okay. I'm bringing everybody back. Hopefully. Are you back? I think everybody's back. By the way, everybody, you guys should say thank you to my brother because look at these backpacks. My brother made these backpacks. You don't have to deal with my trashy looking... I don't even know what you would call them. Backpacks V1 looked nowhere as good as Backpacks V2. Okay. You should thank, yes, everybody thank him. Yes, thank you. Thank you for thanking him. Wife You Funeral is in my server. What kind of name is that? Can I have that? Can I have that? Give me that. Give me that. I want that. I want that. Give me that. Give me that desert colored back. It's mine now. Greed. You guys are greedy. Wife You Funeral just reset their character. Rest in peace. Okay, I think the game's fine. The game seems to be fine. There's no bugs. There's no game-breaking things. A couple of you have had issues with the loading screen. I really don't know what that's about. I'll look into it. But I'm happy with this. I'm happy that nothing... I'm happy that everything has actually worked as intended. Okay, okay. Okay, you guys hear this? You guys hear what I have to deal with? Oh my god. Okay. Alright. Make the servers bigger. No. The servers are not going to be more than 16 players until I know they can handle it. There's a reason that I reduced it from 24 to 16, okay? We gotta figure this out. I have to figure this out, not you. No, I'm not telling anybody to leave. It's okay. Just everybody, you should tell them about their Ridgercraft Creative... No. We're not talking about that. I died in Minecraft Creative, okay? It happened. I died while using command... Never mind, forget it. Just forget it. I don't want to talk about it. Okay. I'm going to do something real quick, and every single person in this server is going to be very mad at me. Hang on. Every one of you are gonna hate me for this. Every single person here is about to vanish. Watch them. Watch them. They're gonna go. They all just vanished at the same time. That was amazing. That was perfect. I kicked every single one of you from the game. So, because I need to see if everybody crashes out, if the data stores will have an error, okay? Please forgive me for this. I'm not sorry. Do you smell original? I honestly, now that I think about it, that's not such a good thing. Because if you smell original, you probably smell bad. Hey, Buckavin, I see you in my YouTube chat too. I see you in my YouTube chat too. Yeah, what are you doing, huh? What are you doing? Get out of here, boy. I want my favorite gun, the PP-19 Bison. The PP-19 Bison. But I'm never going to find it. The PP-19... Okay, anyways. I'm going to end the stream. Reminder to add me on Roblox so I can see about this trusted friends situation. I don't know. Listen, I really don't know. Next weekend... A player just spawned nearby. Well, I'm about to get ghosted. Not actually. It's just, that's why I added that warning. Add me on Roblox. Next weekend is guns and melee weapons in combat. Hopefully nothing goes wrong. Also, the chat should work next weekend. We should have the custom chat. It should work. It'll follow Roblox's new guidelines in terms of service or whatever. Yeah, brother, I'm banning you. I'm banning you for saying 6-7 in the chat as I'm ending the stream. Can I hold you hostage? No. Thank you, Bunkavin. Thank you for the €2. No, there's no patient zero. No patient zero because that is plagiarism. I gotta be, we gotta be a little bit original, guys. Come on. Like, otherwise, what's original? Say that again. Okay, guys. See you next weekend. Join the group. Join the Altered Reality group. Add me on Roblox. Weapons next weekend. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for the donations. Thanks for the memberships. Bye-bye.